Hello, my name is Rohan Patel, and I'm a developmental behavioral pediatrician at the University of North Carolina. I'm the lead author on this study. The national DVP physician workforce struggles to meet current service demands due to several factors. Previous reports highlight lengthy and inefficient documentation processes likely contribute to service demand challenges, but DVP documentation patterns have not been sufficiently studied. Identifying clinical practice patterns may inform strategies to address documentation burden in DVP practice. This is the first study to break down documentation burden for DVPs using a data-driven approach with informatics. Nearly 500 DVP physicians in the United States use Epic Care Ambulatory. This is the lion's share of board-certified DVPs. The Epic system captures individual user data from each customer site, which is then aggregated into discrete metrics and visualized using the vendor's proprietary online platform called Epic Signal. In this way, data from many organizations across the country can be used to generate national benchmarks for DVP. We then compared those against those of pediatric primary care and selected pediatric subspecialty providers that provide similar types of care. One-way analysis of variance were conducted to determine if outcomes differed among provider specialties. Nearly all tests were statistically significant. In particular, time and notes per appointment and progress note length demonstrated the strongest evidence of an increased burden on DVP providers compared to other provider groups. In addition, compared to our colleagues, nearly only 60% of DVPs close their chart on the same day, which has significant burnout and reimbursement considerations. In conclusion, DVP providers spend a significant amount of time documenting notes both during and outside of normal clinic hours. This preliminary analysis highlights the utility of using EHR user data to quantitatively measure documentation burden. We can then use benchmarks as intervention goals to reduce documentation burden for providers, improve the patient experience, and mitigate factors contributing to provider burnout. Thank you for your time.